Yo guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a true first person camera. Let's copy the third person camera and paste it. We'll rename this to first person camera. Compile, save, and then we want this on the mesh. And then we want the bottom socket to be head. And then we want -90 here. Like so, compile, save. And we're gonna want to move the camera a little bit forward. And then we want to use control rotation, and we want to change the character movement to use control desired rotation. That's what you want. I'll save, and we won't do anything because we've not done the code. So if we go back, and you want to click on this, and you want to take auto active off, so it's third person by default. And if you come in here and we get the just type in key, go to the top right input key, make that an F, pass save, and then we want to get our first and third person, and we want to get a flip flop. And then on first set active, make this true, and then you want to copy, paste 3 more, go here, and this will be false because you're no longer in third person, you're in first. And then do the same here, but the opposite. So third person becomes active and first becomes deactive. And just like that, you can now go in third and first person. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.